Yo, what's up squad? Welcome back to the channel. Oops, it's your boy Dylan. Today we got the Project RX-7 out. I'm with the homies. We got Lofi.
What up?
We got Adrian.
Hello.
But yeah, today we got the Project RX-7. We haven't really told you guys what's been done to it, what's in this car, what like all the parts that's in here. Today we're gonna dive in a little bit on it, and Lofi's gonna do the startup. So let's see it.
Alright.
Tight to get in there.
What a pain.
Rotary light. So we got that new stance on the S2K. If you guys haven't seen it yet, new stance, sitting nice. But this FD is super loud. Love the idle though. Okay, man, this car is actually loud. Super loud.
Too much, man.
But I love the turbo though. Okay, so it's time to work on the Project RX-7 FD RX-7. I don't know if you guys noticed, but when Ralph was revving it, the gauges here, they actually don't work, which is a common problem for the FDs, especially the early models. So we actually ordered some new gauges. That's going to be coming in a few weeks. That's probably our first thing that we want to do to this car. But we are doing something else today. What are we doing today?
Lights.
Lights?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Some nice lights, some crystal clears.
So today we want to thank the first sponsor of our channel. We want to thank them a lot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Give them a clap. Give them a clap. First sponsor of the channel. We would like to thank Boslla for sending us some LED lights. We're going to put that on the Project FD RX-7. So shout out to Boslla. This is what they sent us. Look at that. Ooh. Bullet B1 LED bulb. Red finish. Got the parking light bulb. So icy. So right off the bat, look at the packaging. It looks clear. Looks good. Already get a good first impression. Like, packaging is nice, no?
High quality.
Mm-hmm.
Nice picture.
Open that up. There you go. Everything's neat together. You get a product manual, stickers, and for me, I just really like the red finish on the bulb. It's different.
Looks very, very clean.
Mm-hmm.
High quality.
All right, so we're gonna be installing the Boslla LED lights. Shout out to them. You want to show us the before we start? Thank you. So this is a 90s car, 1993. Look how yellow this is. No good. No good. We don't like this. So we're trying to make this car modern. It is a project car. It's 2021. Let's see how it looks after. So let's get started on this install. Should be easy with the pop-ups. You just take out the housing. You got a few screws. We're gonna be taking out this part. Same thing on this side, and then Boslla was nice enough to send us the parking light. We are gonna try and change that as well. We're actually gonna start with the driver side. You guys gotta remember, right-hand drive. Driver side. I always forget. Adrian got the screws over there. Project car problems. You see that? It's actually broken, but whatever. Now we have access to the bulb. We're gonna change it. We're gonna press this. Push the pop-ups down. So we got access. We took this off.
5 minutes later.
Lofi already went ahead and connected the Bullet B1 Boslla. Let's see if it works. Whoa. Super bright.
That's bright.
Holy. I like it. Blinding your eyes, no? So the good thing about this Bullet B1 bought from Boslla, so this new version, they added extra LED squares. I don't know if you guys can see that. So there's 9 on them. So you're gonna get a better light output, and the fans are also quieter. Looks good.
A few moments later.
Okay, so a little bit of trial and error, but we got the first one in. I like the red, man. It pops out. It stands out in the housing. Go for it. Do the honors. Turn on the light. LED. Not LED. This is on the wall. You guys can see the difference. We don't mess with the yellow. So like I said, the packaging is nice. Adrian's gonna open it up. Slide it out. Easy. We're about to work on the parking light. Just 1 bolt. And then we're gonna unclip that. There we go. Got that parking light. You can hear the fan, it's kind of quiet. Not too loud. Alright, so we got both sides in. Look at it on the wall. Perfect, you see the brightness. Excellent. Last step is just the parking light on this side. We all done, and it's actually starting to get dark, which is perfect timing. Let's see how these LEDs look like at night. Don't mind the smoke, guys, but I'm loving the new setup. So bright. So it's definitely much brighter than before. You guys can see the stop sign. We can see everything. Light output is way better than before.
Very nice, very crisp.
Very nice.
It's nice and clear. You can see everything in front of me.
Yep. Even like down the street,
Exactly.
we can see that.
You can see everything. And it's nice linear pattern. It's not dispersed.
Exactly.
Jesus Christ.
But you guys can see it on camera. You get that blue tint. It says 65K white LED lights, and we like it. At nighttime, it's much better. You guys can see the yellow lights on the other cars. This is much cleaner.
And I go ahead.
All right. So that's it for today. We're gonna wrap it up. It is late. This car is loud. We don't want to disturb the neighbors, or do we?
Nah.
We don't want to do that. So we're gonna wrap it up.
Be kind to your neighbors.
Yes, be kind to your neighbors. These lights are really nice. Happy about it. First step in our project RX7. Thank you to Boslla for sending these out. Back in hiding.
4 to 6 days later.
Alright squad, so it's a whole new day. It's nice and bright. We got the RX7 over here. I just want to thank Boslla again for sending us the LED lights. If you guys are interested in picking up your Bullet B1, the links will be in the description. Check them out. Happy we had it on this car. But we also got another thing in the mail for the RX7. Take a look at this. So let's get a better look at this. These are our first upgrades for the RX-7. We got the speed hut gauges. Y'all see the logo on the tachometer. The speedometer is up to 300 now versus the 180 from Japan. And yeah, this is gonna be an upgrade. We can finally see our dials. We were driving the car without it.
Yes, sir.
Which is crazy, but we good now.
Don't do that at home.
Yeah. We don't recommend it. Alright, so that's going to do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more on the Project RX-7, FB6, you got the S2K. More to come with this channel. Thank you to everyone who's been supporting. Catch you guys in the next one. We're out. Peace.